Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To turn on screen mirroring on an iPhone, ensure that both your devices are on the same Wi-Fi. And now all you need to really do is simply go ahead and swipe down into the control panel. And then once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select screen mirroring. If it's not available, you can simply add a control and then look for screen mirroring and then add that in and click on that. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select the device that you want to go ahead and screen mirror to, and that is it. It is currently screen mirroring for me right now. Let me just go ahead and try to show it for you. So let me just go ahead and open my camera. And as you can see, I am currently screen mirroring right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you